This is just going to be a quick introductory video to the one that's after this, which is done by John Meyer, which is converting your Unity trees into VSPro trees. So why would you want to do this? Well, let's say that you started your course building and you didn't want to spend the money on VSPro, so you decided to do everything in Unity. And now you've bought VSPro, maybe it was on sale, and now you want to start using VSPro, but you don't want to redo all your trees, right? So this is a way that you can take those trees in Unity, you can import them into VSPro. My suggestion the video that you're going to see after this, which is done by John Meyer, he is going to install a script or an asset, and it is in the VSPro Importing Unity Trees and Grasses channel in Discord. So it's under the VSPro section. So you need to go in there and download that Unity asset, but it's really just a script, and install that. So the next video is going to be John walking through this process.